Yo, yo, yo. What's up, everybody? What's happening? Just want to jump on live, see how you guys are doing. I'm going to start jumping on live Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Okay, I'm going to go live Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I got a couple things I got to do, so I'm not sure if it's going to be at 3 o'clock or 3:30. I'll let you guys know, but I want to make a habit of jumping on and going live and doing this market review. So whoever's here, let me know. Let me see if we're live really quickly. What's up? What's up? We're going to look at some charts. Let me just make sure we're live. Hey guys, do me a favor. If you're new to the channel, hey, subscribe. Would appreciate it. Hit that little bell to be notified whenever I shoot a brand new video. And hey, make a comment. Let me know you're here. Let me know you're here. All right. We're live. Good, 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 good. Who's here? Let me know who's here, guys, before we jump into the market. This is a crazy, crazy ass day. What's up, Jay? What is up, Jay? All right, guys. Let's go. Here we go. All right. So first of all, it was an ugly day. Let me get my drawing tools real quickly. Y'all might hear all sorts of crazy ass noise in the background. It's my kids. They just got home from school. So some of y'all that are parents, you probably know how that is. What's up, Jay? What's up? All right. So let me get my drawing items here. I don't know why it's not letting me draw. Hang on a second. Okay, we're having some issues drawing, so we might not be able to draw today, but anyway, okay, so the market was down 47 points. Took a bloodbath. Man, let me see if I can y'all see these drawing items real quick? Damn, what the hell, dude? Here, hang on, let me do this, guys. Just bear with me a second. Okay, I'm just trying to get the drawing items to work. Let me try it again. Nah, they're not going to work, those bastards. All right, that's cool. Hey, brother. Appreciate it, Jay. All right, so the market took a bloodbath. Let's go look at the ETFs real quick. Just kind of make sure what happened. We'll talk about the market, look at a couple setups, tell you my 2 cents. All right, so the VIX led the charge today to the upside. Actually, the VIX was up 3.66%. Big move for the VIX. We have bonds. Bonds are up 0.5. Man, I really wish my drawing items worked. I don't know what the heck's going on with those bastards. Damn, they don't work. Gold was up a little bit, but here's the thing. So from a percentage standpoint, let's look at the worst. The QQQs took a beating. The QQQs took a beating today. Down 0.96%. 3.52. But look, guys, I mean, I can't draw right now. I don't know why it's not working, but it's in a beautiful squeeze, to be honest with you. The Qs are in a nice squeeze. And here's the deal. If you're going to take a shot, right there's the time to take a shot, right? It's right at the 34 exponential moving average. Who's here? I saw a couple other people. It's right at the 34 exponential moving average, which means a technology sector, which we can look at, might give us some opportunities. The diamonds. So the Dow Jones was down 370 points. Took a beating. It was the second. Well, look, let's sort by percentage real quick. Y'all can see it, right? So it took a bloodbath. But look, here's the deal. The trend is still up. I mean, I know it was ugly today, but the trend is still up. Who's here? What's up, Adam? Dude. That was sick. Look at this. Look at this right here. So this is my 3-minute chart. It's the MES, so it's the micros. Bro, look at that. I don't know if y'all can see, but damn. I mean, this is the hourly candle. Basically, all day today, it went sideways, right? We had our opening, look. We had our opening 30-minute range. It just literally traded sideways. I mean, it was boring as crap. Boring, kind of dropped down, but then shot right back up in the range. I got a lot of lines here, guys, because I like trading the The MES, the futures contract on the 3-minute chart, I like it. But then look at this. It just cratered. So the only opportunity would have been this little bear flag. God, where the hell my drawing item's not working? Shit. Hang on. I'm going to try to re-pull it back up real quick. Hang on. Let me try to pull my drawing items up. I really want to draw. Dang it. Can't draw. Sorry about that. Y'all can see my little cursor anyway. So we had this bear flag kind of right here. Hook up. Boom. Roll over. So if you were going to trade anything, look, you have this short-term momentum. Push up to the top. Bam. So that would have been an opportunity, but this was kind of violent. You're right. You are right. Oh, wow. I didn't even know that. You talking about that? What you talking about? Oh, yeah. I know what you're talking about. Yeah, I get it. Honestly, man, I was looking at chart. I'm going to show you a couple things I was looking at, but damn, I turned around. I was looking at the other screen. I turned around. I was like, what the heck? So we'll see what goes on here. But oil, look at oil. Oil took a beating. I actually took, I'm going to show you a trade I took in a minute. SPY. So here's the deal. SPY was down about, what, 40-something points. The trend is up, but I'm going to be honest with you. If I see some setups tomorrow, I'm going to take it. See, here's the deal. This is a bull flag. I love it, man. Look what happened last time. Damn, I wish my drawing items worked. But, damn it. I don't know why my drawing items aren't working. But see how I pull back into a flag? Boom. It's pulling back into a flag. This is what I really love. I love when this green line, the green line is the intermediate term momentum. So the trend is up, but then the short-term momentum's pulling back. You can see it right here. And you got, I mean, to me, this is your opportunity. And I'm going to show you a couple of trades because here's the deal. I always tell my students all the time, I do live classes Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And I tell my students all the time, when the opportunity presents itself, you got to take a shot. I'm working on a YouTube video. Tomorrow, I'm going to post a YouTube video. It's going to be different. I'm going to get y'all's feedback on it. But I was watching the video because I don't want to give too much away. And I think a lot of people just talk about setups and setups and setups. Hey, that's cool. I get it. But the market will give us the time to search for setups. Look, a lot of people say, hey, the trend is up. I mean, I don't give a shit that the trend's up. I do. But what I care about is, okay, so the trend is up. Is the market at resistance or support? See, guys, I'll be honest with you. This whole period right here, I was just focusing on day trading. You know, it comes to the point where if you're trading the daily time frame and the market's at resistance and you start adding a bunch of trades and then all of a sudden you get this sick day today, what's going to happen is your account's going to look nasty. I know a lot of people, their account was super, super bloody. So here's the deal. We're pulling back into the 34 EMA, right? We're either going to break through it or we're going to bounce. So now's the time to take a shot. I'm not saying take a shot on this trade. You have to follow your rules. But me, I'm going to show you a couple setups that I'm watching. But the market took a beating. QQQ, I like the squeeze. I like where it's at. This is where a lot of people get scared, right? A lot of people get scared and they're like, oh my God. They back away, and then what happens? The market goes up. So I'm not saying it's going to go up. I don't know, but the reality is if you're going to take some shots at your setups, just do me a favor because a lot of you guys trade the squeeze. If you're going to trade the squeeze, that's fine. But why don't you trade the squeeze when the market's at support? When the market's at resistance, why don't you stop trading it? Just stop. Just back off. Go day trade, right? Look at the 3-minute chart. Too many people want to take trades, and then they put on all these trades, and then the market rolls over, and they're like, oh, my God, they get tattooed. Right? It's like that little, what's that guy, the Fantasy Island tattoo or something like that. All right, let's go. Let's look at some setups because here's the deal. I like where the market's at. I have certain setups that I look for, and I really zone in when the market is giving me a setup. The market's giving you a flag. It might keep going down tomorrow. It doesn't mean that we're going to get into the trades. So if I say, hey, this is a good setup, that doesn't mean I'm going to enter. I have rules that I follow. I teach my students all the time to follow a specific set of rules. So when I say, like I have an alerts group, right? And in the alerts group, I'm posting trades that I'm taking. I'm posting trades that I'm looking at. But I try to encourage my students to follow their rules. This is not me just, hey, take this trade so you can take the damn trade and you don't even know what you're doing. That's not what it's about. And the problem is, that's what a lot of the services are out there. They're just posting what they're trading. People are taking the trades. I don't know if this is you, but you let me know if this is you. People are taking the trades, but they don't even know why they're taking it. I try to encourage my students to do their own research. Hey, this is what I'm looking at, but follow your rules. We give trading plans and everything. So I'm going to share with you some setups that I like. It doesn't mean I'm ready to enter them yet, but I'm going to show you. And here's one that I got into today. Facebook. I got into Facebook today. So what I'm going to do is, look, I was in Facebook a while back and I got like 25% profit. It wasn't much, but I entered today right there. Okay. So here we go. Why did I enter that trade? Well, the market's at support. So if I'm going to take a shot, I'm going to take a shot now. Hey, guys, do me a favor. Let me know who's here. Make a comment. Hey, if you're not subscribed to the channel, hey, subscribe. I got a cool video coming tomorrow. I'm going to get y'all's opinion, right? But I'm going to go live Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. After I pick up my kid next week, I'm going to have a better idea of what time. Either going to be 3 o'clock or 3:30. Maybe 2:30, but I'm going to go live Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So bring the herd, guys. Help me spread this channel. And plus, I got some cool stuff coming. So anyway, I'm in Facebook. And I can't use my drawing items because they freaking don't work. But here's the deal. I like the squeeze. It's a black dot squeeze. So one of the strategies that I teach is called green to black. It's one of my favorite strategies in the world. So today I took a green to black trade on Facebook. I don't know if it's going to work out, but this is a credit spread type of strategy. So I've got rules for my credit spreads. A green to black is a probability plus technical trade plus volatility, but it's one of the best. So Facebook's a good setup. Plus, if you guys trade the squeeze, it's a low compression squeeze, right? So volatility is just starting to contract, which we know if volatility is just starting to contract, right, it's going from green to black. What's next? Red. Green, black, red, then orange, then red, then black, and so forth. You guys know the squeeze, right? I have tons of videos on the squeeze. Hey, make a comment. Let me know who's here, guys. I know Jay. What's up, Jay? Adam. I see there's more people watching. So let me know. All right, so write that one down. Facebook. Who's that? What's up, Jason? Yeah, I sold a bull put spread. Because here's the deal. I mean, I don't know if you're in my class, Jason, but, you know, I like credit spreads. But here's the thing. Credit spreads have a time and a place. There's times to buy call options. There's times to do debit vertical spreads. There's times to do bull put spreads, bear call spreads. And so when the market's in a squeeze, what's happening? It's telling you it's going to contract. It's going to go sideways, right? It's building up a path. So if the market's going to go sideways and you go entering a bunch of call options, what's going to happen to you? You're going to get killed, right? Time decay is going to slap you around. What's up, Lloyd? What up? Hey, if you're new, guys, subscribe to the channel. Help me spread it, man. I see a lot of people on YouTube with a lot more views than me, and I don't understand it. Because I see their videos, and I got some cool stuff coming tomorrow. You watch. But anyway, Facebook. Let me show you another one. So I'm going to show you this one right here. PM, Philip Morris. Now, let me back out for a minute. I'm not going to go over all of them because I have an alerts group, and it's not fair if I go over all of the stuff that people are in my alerts group, but I'm going to go over a couple just to kind of get you rolling. So right now, Philip Morris is in a low compression squeeze. if you notice, it's been in a squeeze for like a decade. Green, right back into a squeeze. So volatility is contracting. So green to black. So if, this is what I teach my students, right? And again, down below, you'll see the description to the courses and stuff. Because I have a school, I have live coaching, all that good stuff. So here's the thing. Let's think about it. Let's think about it for a minute. If the market is, so if the market's about to go sideways, now again, it could fire to the downside. We know that. Philip Morris is in a black squeeze. Is buying a call option your best bet? Well, probably not. So what I'm looking at is my green to black setup. You're not going to find that setup anywhere on the internet. It's one of the setups that I teach my students. It's got about an 82% probability because it's a credit spread, but it's not just a credit spread. We're taking everything in consideration. But look how it's pulling back. So I like this for a green to black setup credit spread. Maybe let it pull back a little bit more because you got to make sure you get the credit. I shoot for 30% return on risk. That's what I was taught from my mentors, 30%. Philip Morris. AEP. I'm not going to go over all of them, but AEP. Oh, no. Let me show you. So look at AEP. What's the trend? Up. Okay, cool. The market took a slapping today, so AEP pulled back. No big deal. It's green to black. So it's telling you I'm about to contract, right? It might pull back. My drawing items don't work, but the Bollinger Bands are going to come together just like here. And then it might flatline, kind of chop around. So if you know that, and you go buy a bunch of call options, it might not work out too well for you. So here's the deal. This is a green to black setup. Let it pull back a little bit. Look to sell a bull put spread. That's just what I'm doing. Okay, let me show you. I'm looking at my watch list over there. Let me show you a couple 1 hour reversal trades. AMKR. Now, make sure you guys check the option volume and make sure it's right for you. But let me show you what I like. So this is AMKR. I don't even know what the hell this stock is. But, so look at the middle. The middle is the daily. So if we draw support, watch. You might hear my baby screaming right now. She might scream. Anyway, so we're in consolidation. Earnings, it shot up. It's pulling back. It's right at the 34. I mean, it is a sexy bull flag. Look at the hourly. We're right at the 200. We have a double cluster dot. This is it right here. If you're going to take a shot right there. 200 simple moving average, hourly. Okay, this is what we do. This is what I alert all day long. This is my 1 hour reversal setup. Now, again, think about the market. Okay, think about the market. The market goes sideways, you might chop around in this, but that's a good one. ADP. Oh, y'all know ADP. Okay, look at ADP. Took a beating today. Now, here's something about ADP. So ADP is pulling back to the 34. Boom. Love the picture. So let's go over to the 1 hour. We are right at the 200. So remember, the 200 on the hourly chart, it's like the VWAP for the day trading. So we find a 200 and we're either going to crash through the 200 or we're going to bounce. But I want to show you something. We got a ready aim. So it's almost completed the ready aim fire. We fired. We're away from the mean. You know we're going to push back to the mean eventually. We got a quadruple cluster dot. So it's telling you that the downward pressure is really coming to an end. And we got a bull flag on the daily. So if you're going to take a shot, this is the time to do it. Now, I'm not saying take the trade. You got to follow your rules because here's the deal. It's already broke the 200. So I'm not a big fan of that. But maybe if it trades back up through the 200, you can take that shot. ADP, I like that one. me show you a couple daily squeezes. You guys like the squeeze. And again, I alerted a lot more in my group today, but I'm going to kind of show you some of these. So here is ECL. I love this squeeze. It's one of my favorite. It's in a mid-compression squeeze. We got stacked moving averages. We're pulling back. This is good. It's right in the middle. So what I like to do is let it come down a little bit more, right? I want to try to catch it as near the bottom as possible, so as it's tanking. But again, the way that I look at it right now, since the market is in a squeeze, and it's going to, again, we assume it's going to go sideways, maybe you do a credit spread right here, right? You don't have to, buy a call option. Buy call options whenever the optimal time to do so. Now, I'm not saying what to do. You do whatever the heck you want to do. But I'm just saying I like this squeeze. You guys make up your own mind on what you want to trade. I know what I trade. I know what I teach, my students. But again, you guys do what you got to do. Adobe. Nice squeeze. It's pulling back into the 21. So it's a stacked EMA. Stacked EMA. Pulling back into the 21. We're in a mid-compression squeeze. So a couple things. You can wait for the momentum to shift and get in it. That's fine. That's fine. You can let it pull back into the 21 and take it as it's coming back. That's cool. You could even let it drop all the way to the 34. All I'm saying is the trend is up. If you're going to take a shot on something that looks like this. Adobe. Let's go look at another one. Coca-Cola. Who's here? Let me know who's here. Coca-Cola. All right. So I like Coca-Cola. It broke through resistance. It's basically it broke through resistance and now it's consolidating sideways. So it's in a nice squeeze. You can see right here. Beautiful squeeze. The trend is up. I love when this blue line is pulling back through the 50. This orange line is way down here. And so it's a good squeeze. Stacked moving averages. Yeah, I like it. You've got earnings 64 days away. This tells me, I'm green as far as my strategy. I got stacked EMAs right here. I mean, everything's solid. If you're going to take a shot, right there's your time to take a shot. But look, it doesn't matter. You take a shot. What matters is where you're going to get out. Too many people are worried about entry, but they need to worry about exits. It really doesn't matter where you get into the damn trade. Who cares? What matters is where you're going to get out when you're wrong. If the market goes against you, what are you going to do? Because that's the only thing that matters. And too many people talk about entries. I get it. It's sexy, right? It's like offense. But defense is everything, right? You got to go into these trades with the mentality of, I'm going to lose. Now, you don't want to lose, obviously, but you got to go into that mentality. Stop worrying about how much money you can make. Worry about how much money you can lose. So in this case, if I enter right now, where am I wrong? If I do a credit spread, where do I get out? If I buy a call option, where do I get out? If I do a debit vertical spread, where do I get out? Again, think about the market. I'm trying to help you guys put all the pieces together. This is what I teach my students in my live classes. We put all the pieces together. The market's in a squeeze. It's pulling back. Okay. So it's pulling back into support. Time to go look for trades. It's in a squeeze. So if I'm going to trade Coca-Cola, do I want to buy a call option? Well, probably not. Not me. Because if the market goes sideways, that call option is going to get crucified. But it's a good setup. You trade whatever you want to trade, right? Again, I don't even, y'all aren't even in my class anyways. I mean, I'm just trying to give you guys my 2 cents. Let me look at one more for you guys. ORMP. ORMP. All right. So here's what I like about this trade. And then we'll kind of give our little 2 cents, my friends. Hey, thanks for being here. Tomorrow I'm going to post something really cool, y'all. It's not going to be live, but I'm going to post it. I'm going to go live for those of you that just joined Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'm going to try to go live at 3 o'clock. I'm not sure. I got to take my kid to school, but I'm going to go live just doing this. Okay, just doing this. And, you know, we'll chat. But tomorrow I'm going to post a video, and I'm curious of what y'all think about it. So ORMP, again, check the liquidity, do all that stuff. I'm just talking about the setup. I just want you to see the setup. So we pull back. We're in the 34 EMA. This is what I like. Look at the hourly. You see the 200. It's right at the 200. We have clustered dots everywhere. Okay, clustered dots everywhere. So if you're going to take a shot, there is the spot to take a shot, right? And if you lose, so what? You lose. You lose. But I like that setup. ORMP. I just don't know. How are the options? I mean, they're not bad. I go out 30 days. These aren't too bad. Oh, look at this, though. The 15 that's ugly. Maybe it's because the market's closed. But again, I'm just giving you the setup. I like this bull flag right here at the 200. I'm good to go. So the market took a beating, down 56 right now in the after hours. It was pretty crazy. So all the sectors, I think all the sectors. So the VIX was up. Let's go see how the Aussie Japanese yen did. You guys know I like to look at the Aussie JPY. Carry trade. Okay, look at the carry trade. So the Aussie JP yen broke support. This is a if you're going to be able to tell the future, you need to start watching the Aussie Japanese yen. The Japanese yen is a safety currency. So the Aussie, whenever the market is going strong, the Australian dollar leads the charge, right? People flock to the Aussie. The yen is a safety currency, just like the franc and usually the dollar, but the yen. So what happens is with this pair, when it's going down, the Australian dollar is weak, the yen is strong. So this broke support. That's not good because lots of times this pair will lead the stock market. Okay, you cannot sustain a rally in the market without this pair cooperating. It doesn't happen. And the yen has been strong. You got to watch this, guys. Another thing is the financial sector. Okay, the financial sector is pulling back into a flag. We watch the financial sector big time. So it's pulling back into a flag. It's at the 100. We don't have any cluster dots, so it might come down some more. But just the yen, I watch the yen. I watch the VIX. I look at the financial sectors. You know, I look at the, look here, kind of go to the internals, the trend, right? We got put call ratio. I mean, all this stuff. I'm not going to go into it right now. We talk about this in class all of the time. All the time. So anyway, hey, do me a favor, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I like going live Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Spread the word. Tomorrow, I'm going to post a video that I've never done before. It's different. Nobody that I know of is doing it. So I'm going to get y'all's opinion. And if y'all like it, I'll do more of it. And hey, check down below in the description for any of the indicators. You guys know I love the Squeeze Pro. I love the Radiant Fire Pro. This is a new indicator. You can't find it anywhere. Market Forecast Pro doesn't exist. I have it. And then I have free courses. I have paid courses. I have live coaching, alerts, all that stuff. Or just keep watching. It's cool. I mean, hey, look, man, here's the deal. Everybody says the same crap, right? Same stuff. But it's how you deliver the message. I know a lot of people that I watch their videos and I don't even know what the hell they're talking about because they can't explain it or teach it well. So, hey, if you like my style, come hang out with us. Lloyd, Jason, Adam, Jay. What's up? What's up? We gotta go. We got my boy here, Lloyd. What's up, Lloyd? Adam's talking about that sell-off. Yeah, it was sick. Hey, Jay, you know what? Send some friends, my man. Send some friends. Send some friends. All right, everybody. So I'm going to post a video tomorrow. Be on the lookout for it. So hit that little bell to notify when I shoot a video. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, we going live. I got some other cool stuff coming now that I know how to go live. Just help me spread the word. I'd appreciate it. If you're interested in anything that I do, just check down below in the description. If not, you guys have a great day, great night. Hopefully y'all survived today. It was pretty ugly. And I talked to you guys the other day about not loading the boat because of all the signals. Go back to a couple of videos. I talked about how it was interesting because the market was up, but everything was down. The the sectors, XLU, XLP. I talked about it 2 days ago, and look what happened. We've tanked ever since. All right, everybody. You'll have a good one. Subscribe to the channel. We'll see y'all tomorrow for the training video. We'll see y'all Friday for the live. Peace out, everybody. Hey, thanks, Jay. Spread the word, brother. Spread the word.